Did you know an FBI agent once helped a crime boss murder his own informants? This is the shocking story of how Whitey Bulger corrupted the system from the inside. In 1975, FBI agent John Connolly made a deal with the devil. He recruited James Whitey Bulger as an informant against the Italian Mafia in Boston. But Bulger flipped the script entirely. Instead of giving information, Whitey used Connolly to get it. The corrupt agent fed him FBI secrets about investigations, wiretaps, and rival gang members. Armed with this insider knowledge, Bulger eliminated his competition one by one. For over 20 years, Connolly protected his criminal partner. He buried evidence, warned Bulger about raids, and even tipped him off when other informants were talking. Meanwhile, Bulger's crew committed at least 18 murders. The FBI thought they were getting intelligence on organized crime. In reality, they were enabling it. When the scandal finally broke, it exposed the most corrupt law enforcement relationship in American history. Connolly got 40 years in prison. Bulger fled and spent 16 years on the run before his capture.